In this video, I'll show you how to quickly access the Windows 11 About section to view important system information like your Windows version, device specs, and system type. Whether you need this info for troubleshooting, software installation, or general system checks, these simple steps will help you find in seconds. Let's get started. Method 1. Through Settings, most common. Click Start, Windows icon. Open Settings. Go to System. Scroll all the way down and click About. There you'll see Windows Edition and Version, OS Build, Device Name, Processor, RAM, System Type, 64-bit, etc. Method 2. Quick keyboard shortcut. Press Windows plus I. Open Settings. Click System. Scroll down About. Method 3. From this PC. Right-click this PC on Desktop or in File Explorer. Click Show More Options. Click Properties. This jumps straight to the About page. Bonus. Power User Way. Press Windows plus R. Type WinVer. Hit Enter. This shows Windows version and build in a small pop-up.